This customer had her 15-year-old water heater fail on her. The tank had ruptured from rust, causing water to leak throughout the garage. This water heater needs to be replaced, and the first step is to turn off the water at the main. Then we attach a hose to the water heater and run the hose to the street to allow the water to drain into the sewer. While the water is draining, the new water heater is unboxed and moved into the garage. Teflon tape and pipe dope is applied to the new heater, and the new fittings are attached and secured. The new expansion tank is brought up to 60 psi to match the water pressure for the house. Next, we begin removing the old lines off the failed heater, starting by cutting the old T&P line. Then, the old out-of-code copper gas line is removed, followed by the gas pipe. The water lines are then cut from the inlet and outlet of the failed heater. The exhaust vent is then removed from the heater, freeing it. With the old heater freed, it is moved to the van to be recycled. We are also replacing the PRV in this home, so the old one needs to be removed. With the old PRV gone, the new one is installed and crimped in place with a Pro Press. The new heater is then lifted into place. New water lines are run to the new heater and are Pro Pressed in place. The vent is then reattached to the new heater. The expansion tank is then installed. Next, the gas pipe and drip leg are installed onto the new heater. A new fitting and N-code gas line is then attached. Then a new T&P line is attached. The system is turned on, checked for leaks, and the water pressure is checked, and then adjusted to 60 psi. Finally, the new water heater is lit and this job is complete. If you have a plumbing issue like this or any other plumbing need, please feel free to call us at 678-403-1071.